Let's be honest, no one gets excited about mopping the floor. It's a chore we endure, not enjoy. For years, the best we could do was a slightly better bucket or a fancier mop head. Then came the floor washers, promising to turn this dreaded task into something quick and maybe even a little satisfying. At the top of this category sit two heavy hitters, the Dyson Wash G1 and the Tineco Floor 1 S7 Pro. This isn't just about which one is better. It's about which one is right for you, your home, and how you think about cleaning. So let's break it down and figure that out. Cleaning performance. So how do these different approaches play out on the floor? The Dyson Wash G1 delivers a very consistent and controlled clean. Its two dense rollers make full contact with the floor, actively scrubbing away grime. Because it's not relying on suction to lift water, it leaves a very thin, even layer that dries quickly. It's fantastic for everyday maintenance and dealing with combined wet and dry spills, like tracked-in dirt or a knocked-over bowl of oatmeal. It picks up the solids and washes the floor in a single smooth pass. Where it can sometimes fall short is on stubborn, dried-on stains. It might take a few passes to work those loose, as it's more of a scrubber than a high-pressure blaster. The Tineco Floor 1 S7 Pro is more of a powerhouse. Its eye-loop smart sensor is the star of the show, and you can see it work on the LCD screen as the light ring changes from red, dirty, to blue, clean. It gives you real-time feedback that you're actually getting the floor clean. When it hits a particularly dirty patch, you can hear the suction ramp up as it goes into overdrive. This makes it incredibly effective on a wide range of messes. It also has 4 distinct cleaning modes: Auto for everyday use, Max for tough jobs, a suction-only mode for spills, and an Ultra mode that uses electrolyzed water for a deeper clean without detergents. This versatility gives it an edge in handling more demanding cleaning situations. Edge and corner reach. The battle for the baseboards is a classic weak spot for floor cleaners, and both machines have tried to solve it. The Dyson Wash G1 has what it calls 6-point edge cleaning, with rollers that extend close to the sides of the cleaning head. It does a respectable job, getting much closer to edges than older models of floor washers. You'll still have a tiny strip right against the wall that it can't quite reach, but it's a significant improvement. The Tineco Floor 1 S7 Pro, however, generally wins this fight. It features an enhanced dual-sided edge cleaning design, which means the roller is designed to clean right up to the baseboard on both the left and right sides. This makes a noticeable difference in practice. You don't have to angle the machine just right to get the good side against the wall. You can just clean along any edge and it will get almost everything. For perfectionists who hate that little line of dust along the wall, the Tineco's design is more satisfying. Under furniture access and maneuverability. At nearly 5 kilograms, neither of these machines is a featherweight. But how they feel in your hand is a different story. The Dyson Wash G1, true to its brand, is engineered for smooth gliding. It has a low-profile head that can dip down to get under the edges of cabinets and some furniture. However, you are moving all of its weight yourself. It pivots and turns gracefully, but it's a manual effort. Let me explain why the Tineco Floor 1 S7 Pro feels completely different. It has a feature called Smooth Power Bidirectional Self-Propulsion. The wheels are motorized and assist you both when you push forward and when you pull back. This makes its 5.1 kilograms weight almost irrelevant when you're cleaning. The machine feels like it's floating across the floor, eager to move. This feature dramatically reduces fatigue during longer cleaning sessions and makes maneuvering around furniture feel effortless. It gives the S7 Pro a nimbleness that its weight on paper just doesn't suggest. Water tanks and separation. This is where Dyson's unique engineering really shines. The Wash G1 has a brilliant system for hygiene. It has a 1-liter clean water tank, a 0.8-liter dirty water tank, and, crucially, a separate debris tray with a fine mesh. As the rollers scrub the floor, they flick solid debris like crumbs and hair into this tray, while the dirty water is squeezed into its own separate tank. This means you're not making a gross slurry of dirt and water. When you're done, you pull out the tray and tip the solids into the trash, then pour the dirty water down the drain. It's a cleaner, less disgusting process. The Tineco Floor One S7 Pro uses a more conventional, yet highly effective dual-tank system. It has a 0.85-liter clean water tank and a 0.72-liter dirty water tank. Its system is designed for high efficiency, claiming to recover over 95% of the dirty water it puts down. This means floors dry quickly and the clean water tank lasts longer. While it doesn't separate solids in the same way Dyson does, everything ends up in the dirty water tank. It's a proven system that works very well. However, emptying the dirty tank can be a bit more unpleasant as you're dealing with a mix of hair, debris, and dirty water all at once. Self-cleaning and maintenance. No one wants to clean their cleaner. Both Dyson and Tineco have created automated self-cleaning cycles to handle this. After cleaning, you place the Dyson Wash G1 on its dock and run the self-clean mode. It flushes the entire system with clean water for about 2 minutes, cleaning the rollers and internal pathways. It's effective, but the maintenance doesn't stop there. You still need to manually empty the dirty water tank and clean out the debris tray after every use to prevent odors. The rollers also need to be replaced periodically. The Tineco Floor One S7 Pro takes automation a step further. Its docking station not only runs a self-cleaning cycle that flushes the brush and tubing, but it also includes a centrifugal air drying process. This system spins the brush at high speed to remove excess water and then circulates air to dry it, which helps prevent mildew and odors from forming on the roller. The process is guided by the LCD screen and is quite thorough. While it's more hands-off, the routine itself is a bit more complex. If you don't follow the steps correctly, it can still trap debris or develop odors. Battery life and coverage. When it comes to runtime, the two are very closely matched, but Tineco has a slight advantage. The Dyson Wash G1 offers up to 35 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge, which is enough to cover a very respectable 2,900 square feet. This should be more than enough for most apartments and many single-family homes. The Tineco Floor One S7 Pro pushes that a bit further, offering up to 40 minutes of runtime. That extra 5 minutes might not seem like a lot, but it can be the difference between finishing the whole house and having to stop for a recharge. The S7 Pro's iLoop sensor also helps conserve battery by only using high power when necessary, making its runtime more efficient in real-world use. The bottom line. So, which one should you buy? It comes down to what you value most in a cleaning tool. Choose the Dyson Wash G1 if you are a purist who wants a machine dedicated to one job, washing hard floors exceptionally well. Its hygienic separation of solids and liquids is a major advantage for anyone grossed out by cleaning dirty filters and tanks. It's also slightly quieter and has that unmistakable Dyson design and build quality. If you live in a home with all hard floors and prioritize a simple, effective, and hygienic wash over all-in-one functionality, the G1 is your machine. Choose the Tineco Floor One S7 Pro if you want a versatile, feature-packed cleaning powerhouse. The combination of vacuum suction and mopping makes it a true all-in-one solution for hard floors. Its smart sensor technology, self-propulsion, superior edge cleaning, and informative LCD screen create a user experience that feels more advanced and less strenuous. If you love gadgets that guide you, appreciate the effortless feel of self-propulsion, and need the flexibility to tackle any kind of mess, the S7 Pro offers more functionality and intelligence for your money.